Most vehicles don't disappear when their journey ends. They arrive here, waiting for their final purpose. Years of use leave marks behind. Rust, scratches, and metal fatigue tell a quiet story of time. Each day, thousands of old cars arrive at recycling plants. What looks like waste is actually raw material. Every vehicle is inspected and sorted. Nothing enters the process by accident.
Welcome! Today, we'll see how millions of old cars are recycled and transformed into brand new steel. Let's begin.
Before anything else, harmful fluids are removed. Oil, fuel, and coolant are carefully drained and stored safely. Batteries and airbags are separated first. Safety always comes before speed. Doors and panels are stripped away. Each material is sent to its own recycling stream. Engines are lifted from their frames, heavy but still valuable. Rubber is separated from steel. Even tires are recycled into new uses. Seats, dashboards, and wiring are removed. Only the metal shell remains. Windows and windshields are carefully extracted. Glass will begin a different recycling journey. What's left is the skeleton, pure structure, ready for transformation. Steel frames move steadily forward. No rush, no pause. This machine is the heart of the process, designed to break anything down to its core. The steel frame disappears inside. Years of form end in seconds. Metal tears apart under controlled force, power guided with precision. Shredded steel rains down below. Every piece has a future. The process never stops. Efficiency is everything. Magnets pull steel from the mix. Physics does the sorting. Lighter materials are blown away. Only metal remains. Aluminum is pushed aside. Steel continues forward. Clean steel gathers in massive piles, uniform, consistent, ready. Sensors scan every batch. Purity is non-negotiable. This is no longer scrap. It's steel prepared for rebirth. Steel enters the furnace. Temperatures rise beyond imagination. Solid metal becomes liquid. Structure dissolves. Potential forms. At extreme heat, steel is refined. Impurities are removed. Liquid steel flows into molds. Shape returns, controlled and precise. New steel cools slowly. Strength develops with time. Steel is pressed into sheets, perfect thickness, perfect alignment. The transformation is complete. New steel stands where old cars once did. Fresh steel is shipped worldwide, ready to build again. This steel returns to factories, becoming frames, structures, machines. From old cars to new steel, a cycle of reuse that never truly ends. Recycling isn't destruction, it's transformation.